What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show, where we talk about optimizing life, money, and happiness one how to at a time. And I'm a bit ashamed as I start this week's video that I don't think I've ever made this specific content available before. So we're going to talk today about how to buy a house. And I don't necessarily mean the nuts and the bolts of, how you go and do it and the paperwork behind it. This is really about the strategy that I have personally used in my own family's life to hit some real home runs when it comes to buying. And I've done this 3 times now, and it's pretty replicable. And I think it's still practical in today's real estate market because it is cyclical with the calendar. And here's what I mean by that. Every year, these 2 big things always happen. One of them is Thanksgiving, and the other one is Christmas. And during these holidays, as Americans, I'm going to generalize this, and I'm fully part of this, but we get fat and happy, so to speak. And the holidays come upon us. It gets a little colder outside. We become homebodies. We drink our hot chocolate, our hot cocoa. We snuggle up with big blankies and watch our Hallmark movies, etc., etc. And what this practically means is that the number of folks really looking to go out and buy houses during that period of the year goes down significantly. And I don't have any hard data on this, but I've seen it happen time and time again. I've been the beneficiary of it time and time again. And so practically, a word of opportunity exists in the upcoming weeks. I'm recording this in the middle of October, and we're coming upon the season where houses that are on the market the week after Thanksgiving stand a chance to be sitting there for a little while because people are entering that period of time where, again, fat and happy, sitting down, watching Hallmark movies, and life just seems to slow down or even all blur together for the end of November and most of December in the same way. And so if you are in a situation right now where you are looking to buy a home, it is a fantastic time to be looking at it. And now is probably the time where you want to start having those conversations about budget and mortgages and things of that nature. If you need help to get somebody in your corner in that world, I can definitely help you with that. But the timing is proper such that when everybody else is doing all of their gingerbread making and putting up the tree, different things like that, you can be out finding yourself a deal on that house that is on the market right now that needs to be sold. Because frankly, everybody expects, the real estate market is always this cyclical thing that arrives with the warm weather in March, April, May, and you want to get into your house before the school year starts the following year. And so the houses that are on the market in October, November, December, generally a reason that bucks the trend there, and you can be the beneficiary of the ability to zig when everybody else zags. This is the exact same scenario why you can get through the grocery store at 6 o'clock in the morning way faster than you can at 6 o'clock on Friday afternoon. It's just doing what other people are not able to or are not willing to do to get yourself a different outcome. And so if you are looking to get into a house, this is a great time to do it because you are competing against a smaller pool of buyers. This is just the way that it's worked for me in several years in the past, and I think it's still going to work this way into the future. And that's not even necessarily a you must do that this year type of thing. This is a strategy that can work out for you in years to come as well. Getting those houses at a discount between Thanksgiving and Christmas has the opportunity to save you thousands of dollars. So if you are in this world where you're scratching your head, getting a little stir crazy, whatever it is, and this might be of benefit to you, get in touch with me. I'll help you do it in the greater Indianapolis area or in Indiana in general. Just get in touch with me. You can do so in the comments, the DMs, IndyDwell.com, all of the above. So that's it for this episode of the How To Show. Anthony Drew Gary here, signing off. Hope to talk to you soon.